Hi guys, my name is Hitisha and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a box envelope. So materials which we needed are designer paper, black paper, folding tool, scale, pencil, fevicol, scissor, tacky tape and magnet. So let's start with the measurements. First we will take a black paper and the size of the paper is 22 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So on 22 centimeter we will mark 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here. So total 2 centimeters. Same thing opposite side, 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here, 1 centimeter over here. Okay, now on 20 centimeter you will mark first 6 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, 8 centimeter, again 1 centimeter. Same thing opposite side, 6, 1, 8 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and remaining will be 4 centimeter. Okay, now we will fold all this marking. We will cut this part, this part, this part and this part. Okay, now this is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So over here you will not cut this part, you will only cut this much part. Same thing opposite side. So after cutting, envelope folding and cutting part will look like this. Now we will take this designer paper and we will measure this part first. It's 6 centimeter. So we will take 5.5 centimeter. Over here the size of paper is 17.5 by 16.5. Okay, so on 16.5 we will mark 5.5 over here, 5.5 over here. Now we will take this part. This is 8 centimeter. So we will take 7.5. 7.5 over here, 7.5 over here. This is 4 centimeter. So remaining will be 3.5. This is 3.5. Now we will cut this part. over here and here. See guys, our envelope is ready. Box envelope is ready. Thank you guys for watching.